So we're still integrating our depth and texture, and I thought, because I've still got some more of this left, let's give it another whirl. And for those of you that didn't check out last week's video, I used this wall tile adhesive to create an actual painting. And that painting turned out, I thought, quite well. So here it is. That's last week's piece. So it's a drone beach scene, as you can see, and the depth and texture on it is quite good. So it's actually really good to sort of paint with. I also, a couple of weeks back, before that one, painted this as well, exactly the same way. So stick around. No idea what we're going to do on this one, but stick around and let's get to it. So let's get down to business. I've spun the board round this way, so we're going to be doing a portrait piece. And because winter is coming up, I thought I would do a really dramatic mountainscape. So pre-mix some of that tile adhesive up. I've added some blue, white and some grey in there, mix it up. And this is going to be our base colour to create the initial sort of design of the piece. First initial stage, just getting the product out onto the board. Got the outline of the mountain range that I'm going to come up with. So now it's a case of building in a bit more detail before we apply the paint. What they wanna say now? Hate if you wanna hate, but y'all can't kill my vibe. And I be feeling so good, just happy to be alive. I said, hate if you wanna hate, but y'all can't kill my vibe. And I be feeling so good, just happy to be alive. Cause we stay comfortable in my own skin. I like who I am. The good vibes keep on bumping. Turn it up, that's my jam. I feel good. How you feel?
to shine. Comfortable in my own skin, peace of mind. What's mine is mine, what's yours is yours. These bars in every measure, homie, get them in force. Like the 18 Beatles in every season. Can't forget me, plus the Trinity I believe in. I'm breathing. Easy get Sunday morning, my reason. Everything that the Lord did, he got it right the first time. Yeah, you see with both your eyes. This right here is me, unapologetically jet black and free. I ain't trying to be what they want me to be. Scared of the weird, following all the trends. Over backwards, that ain't the way I've been gone.
Comfortable in my own skin, I like who I am. The good vibes keep on bumping. Turn it up, that's my jam. I feel good. How you feeling? I feel good. So good. Comfortable in my own skin, I like who I am. The good vibes keep on bumping. Turn it up, that's my jam. I feel good. How you feeling? I feel good. So good.
We're going to let this dry. I'm initially happy with that. This is my mounting range and just trying to create some sort of gullies, trying to grab your attention to go into this middle section here. I think once this dries and we start to paint it, this will really come alive. So stick around to the end of this video and we'll see how this one turns out. That's dried overnight. We're going to crack on, mix some paint, and we're going to start to create this mountain.
Have you ever fallen out of love? We hide and play dumb or change the station till push turns into shove. We get so clever at covering it up. Everyone knows our hearts in their holes. There's water in the boat. Bittersweet words dancing in my mouth, but I can't get them out. Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying to figure out what went wrong, or was it wrong all along? Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying. You ain't the one. Our time is up. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. We talk in circles and never bring it up. Just me and you, a table for two, but we're not saying much. Baby, almost could never be enough. Thirsty for more, the wine that you pour is poison in my cup. Bittersweet words dancing in my mouth, but I can't get them out. Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying to figure out what went wrong, or was it wrong all along? Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying. You ain't the one. Our time is up. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Truth is I'm tired of lying. I've been trying. What went wrong, or was it wrong all along? Truth is I'm tired of lying. I've been trying. You ain't the one. I'm moving on. Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying to figure out what went wrong, or was it wrong all along? Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying. You ain't the one. Our time is up. I'm moving on. Our time is up. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
We're going to let that dry. We're going to come back from one last time. We're going to put the sky in, and then this mountain scene will be done. Yeah, stick around for the last part of this video. Final stage of this one, I'm going to put this guy in and get this one finished. there it is, ladies and gents, the finished piece. Really, really easy to do. It looks complicated, but as you can see, I just went through the process of applying that tile adhesive to create the actual mounting, putting it in sort of a base colour, which was the grey, and then I went in with the dark areas, then I went in with the highlights, which was the snow. I was trying to create a cast shadow on this side of the mountain that would sort of give off some real definite shadowing down this side. Hopefully you like this one. Finish that bit off there. Hopefully you like this one. I really love this sky colour compared to the mountain. Please give this video a like. Also, please comment down below and hit that subscribe button. Everything I paint is recorded. I practice absolutely nothing. So this was a first attempt at this. I've done a previous mountain, which was a complete disaster. So it just shows you that if you sort of stick at it, really sort of tune in on what you're trying to achieve, then yeah, you can create something half decent. And until next week, I'll see you in the next video.